Hi everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford roller cam engine for our customer's 1968 Ford Mustang. You can see this is a complete turnkey package ready to go. Go over some of the highlights of the engine build here. Again, we got the 302 Ford roller cam engine, double roller timing chain, edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum cylinder heads, American made. These real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Proper oil pan for the 68 Mustang, front sump oil pan. Oil pressure extensions installed. All the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, gas filter, high flow fuel pump. We have the MSD ignition coil on there. Distributors all set into place. Aluminum intake, quick fuel carburetor, throttle cable ball, throttle return spring and bracket, proper breather on there. It's real nice Cobra ridge style valve covers with the oval ridge style air cleaner with the washable element. You have the proper flex plate for the customer's AOD transmission, proper balance and tooth count, chrome dipstick and tube, proper thermostat housings installed and thermostat for the 68 Mustang. We have this real nice polished chrome Wraptor serpentine pulley kit, AC compressors on there, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, maintenance free. We have the proper water pump for the 68 Mustang, has the lower hose on the passenger side, 160 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup. You have the power steering pump with the reservoir installed. Real simple hookup. The pressure line goes right there. Return also. Every engine is live run and tested for over an hour at Engine Factory. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, all the readings, photos of the entire engine build sent to you. We're family owned and operated business, Engine Factory. We've been in business for over 50 years. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554. Or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.